Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I want to discuss about Microsoft Teams. Do you have any idea about Teams? Maybe someone have, but maybe you have no clear idea about Microsoft Teams. That is why today I will discuss about Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a Microsoft 365 or Microsoft product. It is as like as WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger and others. You can communicate with other through Microsoft Teams. It is actually not a communication apps. It is both communication and collaboration apps. You can do many things by using Microsoft Teams, such as communication, arrange a meeting, make a group call, it may be audio and video call. So guys, how we can get Microsoft Teams? Actually, it is a Microsoft product, and for activating or licensing this Teams apps, you need to a Microsoft license. There are different type of Microsoft license, such as Microsoft F1, Microsoft Business Basic, Microsoft Standard. If you can buy F1 license, if you buy F1 license, you will get a only Microsoft Teams. If you buy a Microsoft Business Basic license, you will get Teams, OneDrive, and other service such as actually Teams, OneDrive, and Microsoft other service. Okay, so now I want to show you what we do about Microsoft Teams and what we can do through Teams. Firstly, we can think that we can only not communication through Microsoft Teams. We can also collaborate and also make a schedule for meeting and others. This is a Microsoft Teams apps. Okay, first you need to download Microsoft Teams apps, then install and license by your Microsoft Authenticate license. Okay, this is a overview of Microsoft Teams. Then if your organization there are a lot of Microsoft user, if they have Teams and they have activated with license, they will get this same window and you can search someone by this Teams. Okay, there are many, sorry, this is fun, there are many names of this organization. Okay, because I have a license of Microsoft Teams. Okay guys, for first you need to download a Microsoft Teams apps, then log into your mail address or Microsoft Authenticate license mail address, then you will get this window. Okay, if you want to chat someone, you can go chat, then you can find someone to want to chat, say that I need to chat in a particular employee, that name is say as a y decide, then search him through the team. Yes, I have got him, then I can message hello, text message, enter. If I need to attach something, I can go to attached here, then upload file from my computer, then I can attach anything here. Okay, then if I need to write more than one word text, then I can to go to this text, then I can say dear sir, then etc, then I can send this. Okay, this is communication. And if you want to add this communication in other people at a time, you can go to this plus sign and add people here. If you add here say someone, if you text whose thing, or you to share whose thing, both people are get that file, okay, or that text at a time. Okay, and you can also make a meeting schedule through Microsoft Teams. For taking a schedule, oh sorry, for making a schedule, I can want to uh, show you something others. You can make a audio call through Microsoft Teams. Okay, if you click here, it is going to the this guy will get a incoming call, and that you can also make a video call. Actually, I have no webcam and I have no laptop. That is why my video icon is disabled, because I am using currently a desktop. So my video icon is disabled. But you can make a video call through this uh, Microsoft Teams. Now I want to mention here that actually there are a lot of free software for communicating, but why we use Microsoft Teams? Yes, it is normal that Microsoft Teams is a Microsoft product and it is a secure product, and it is authenticate for enterprise, for corporate culture. It is authenticate for Microsoft and authenticate worldwide, and it is first thing, it is secured. Your data will not be leaked because of it is your licensed product, and Microsoft provide you license, and you you pay for this license. That is why they maintain a high level security for these apps, and you also get some extra feature for communication, agility, quality of communication and innovation. Okay, then you will get, you can attach and you can share this file and make a email and schedule. Okay, now I want to share that how can make a schedule for emailing. If you go to this Microsoft apps and go to the calendar, then you will get a window, and if you go to new meeting, here click, then you can arrange a meeting schedule from here. Say meeting title is test, then you can add attendance. Say you can add more than one people, okay, in a meeting, arranging meeting, and you can can make a date for fixing this meeting, and you can change time. Okay, you can meeting some duration of times and a whole day. Okay, then you can text here something for about your meeting. Okay, set test meeting, and this is a test meeting. I am creating a meeting for say 8 April 2022 for at say 5:30. Okay, then send. If I send it, meeting will be create. Okay, then this meeting you can, I have created this meeting in Microsoft Teams, and it too will automatically collaborate with your Microsoft Mail. That means if you have access Microsoft Mail, it will automatically collaborate your uh, email. Okay, I have go to my Microsoft Access Outlook email. Then I am searching that I have created a meeting where which time it is 8 Friday. Then I will go to my Microsoft Outlook, then Microsoft Calendar. This is automatically created in April 8 a meeting, okay, at 4 p.m. That is why we can say that we can make a schedule. Okay, schedule a meeting in Microsoft, and it is collaborate with Microsoft Outlook. Okay, we can share any thing, any content, any file, and call or and meet, create a meeting. We can chat through this Microsoft Outlook, and we can connect across the organization. That means if I make a meeting schedule, or I can, if I make a video call or audio call, I can connect anytime any people if he or he is required. Okay, then if I attached which file in my uh, chatting list, I can get the all file in my file recent file. All file are here, which I can share attached as a attached file. We can find from this here. Which call we missed or which call we create through this meeting, we can get here. I have lost lost a lot of call, and I have received some call. This is black, and which call I missed, this is red. Okay, this Microsoft Teams you can also use in your browser. Okay, if you go to your office.com, then you will get lot of apps, a lot of content, and you will find here Microsoft Teams. If you click here, you will get Teams. This is loading. Okay, it may some time for loading. Okay, then we go to this. Actually, we can chat here, and we can make a hub, or that make a team work with this Microsoft Teams for make a group call, or make a schedule, or make a group. We can create a group actually Microsoft through a Microsoft Teams. We can go to chat, then we can click here, say enter a group name test. Okay, then go to this arrow. My group name is say the test. Okay, then I can add employee, the say another user. This is another guy, sorry, this is another guy. And if I enter, this is make a group. This is a group for name test. If I chart, we can three people are adding here. This is three people are adding this test group. If I chatting here, all three people are can see this, and they can also reply this message through this group. This is a facility for this Microsoft Teams. Okay, then a hub of network security teams. We previously discussed that this is obviously a security product, because of it is a Microsoft apps, and it is authenticated by the Microsoft, and it is maintained by the Microsoft, and it is a corporate product for business. Okay, okay, we can customize team, because of we can make a simple group, those who group that can communicate themselves on that group. Okay, there are a lot of features in Microsoft Teams. There are many channel. Okay, there are lots of actually feature in Teams. For this limited time, I do not mention all of feature here. We will mention next time this lot of feature. Okay, guys, we can find this that this is Microsoft apps of Teams. This is Microsoft apps of Teams, and this is web version of Teams. Okay, we can use this Microsoft Teams in web apps. Okay, we can use as a same thing, as a same window as like as Microsoft apps and web. Okay, this is same window for web. So guys, okay, we can see something about Microsoft Teams, and how can we can get license, and how can we get use Teams, how we can text, we can make a schedule for meeting, we can make a group, we can make a group call, we can chat, we can make a audio call, and we can make a video call through these Teams. After all, Microsoft Teams is a security product, a secure product for corporate culture, for corporate business, and it is obviously a Microsoft product, and also is maintained by Microsoft. That is why it is more secure than other free apps. Okay guys, goodbye.